Hey, here happens to be another example of one of our base 408 Windsor strokers. Phenomenal motor. This happens to be a base model. There'll be no pulleys on it, but this is exactly what you get in a base model engine. You would get the engine painted the color that you like. It would be with a chrome oil pan, front sump. It will have a 4 or 3-bolt balancer on here, whichever you're going to need. It will accommodate. You'll have your dipstick, you'll have your Edelbrock heads, black wires, M&D distributor, Holley carburetor, Edelbrock intake. All done the way you want it. Hey, 1-800-267-3940. Give us a call. Okay, Gene, we had your 1969 Ford Mustang 408 Windsor engine here. We're about ready to fire it up. Nice. Maddie's got you all tuned up real nice. Alright, we're gonna make a pull.